what is a processor? Now let us understand what is a processor. Processor which takes the input from the user via keyboard or mouse. Those instructions, whatever it has been fetched, a processor has its own life cycle, how to read the instruction or how to fetch the instruction and how to decode it internally and how to execute that instruction, right? So a processor does these functionality internally. A processor is also called as central processing unit, okay, which is very important part of the entire computer system. So within that we have primary storage as well as secondary storage, right? So this is about a processor. The different categories of the processor are being explained in detail. Now let us understand what is the definition of an operating system. An operating system is an collection of applications or collection of programs, right? There is also another definition for an operating system. An operating system is an interface between hardware and user. Any hardware component communicates with the user with the help of operating system. Without operating system, there is no importance for user or hardware. The interface between them is an operating system. Within operating system, we have compilers, interpreters, assemblers, application program, system softwares, any of those required things for the end user to interact with the machine.